Hi everyone, welcome back to Lena's Pretend Play. In this video, we'll be talking about Meet My Coding Friends, the variables, and more in the microbit. So in the Python programming language. So let's get started. So what is a variable? I wonder what that is actually. A variable is like a labeled container. For example, we have a container here. It says Lena. I am the variable. So this is the container, and then the store information like numbers, words, and images. So I have my name here, which is words. So as you can see, you see these A and B, right? You're probably wondering what that is. But those are actually the variables that we'll be using today and some other ones. So we have A as 5. So it contains 5 inside of your container. It says A.
Basically, you're saying that container is variable.
Yep.
Label.
The container is a variable.
Okay. And inside whatever is.
Yeah. So as you can see,
is
we
what?
have 5. Oh, well, there's some paper in here. We have 5. Say we have 5 things in here, papers, and then in B, our container that's named B, labeled B, has 4 things in it. And by the way, it says B. I think you're blind if you can't see it, okay? It's right there. And it says A right there, okay? Oh, A! It says A! But we don't have B. So display, as you can see, it says display.scroll A plus B and then equal to. So if you have those quotation marks up here, as you can see, that means it wouldn't give you the answer, but it'd say A plus B equal to, but it won't say the answer. And then you know how it says display.scroll A plus B without the quotation marks? That means it's going to show you the answer because you have no quotation marks. So if you have quotation marks, it won't say the answer. If you don't, then it'll say the answers. So what's happening here? So A and B are the variables. A equals to 5 means that the variable A stores number of 5.
Mm-hmm.
So B equals to 4 means the variable B stores the number 4.
So whatever in that container is called stores, yeah?
It's not an actual store though. Mm-hmm. It's a very small container. So what are types of variables? Variables can be stored different kinds of information. So number 1, number variables, also called integers. You can add, subtract, or compare numbers and number variables. As you can see, A equals to 5, B equals to 4, like in the last slide. And then we have the same thing here. So what are we doing here? What is that sign? Can you shout it out?
Sum.
Can't hear you.
Sum.
It's adding, of course, and sum.
And there is a Python too up.
Yeah, there's Python, but that's just there because it's in the Python editor. Anyway, so let's go into the next slide. So number 2, next variables, also called strings. Text variables. I said next. Okay, used to store words, letters, or messages. Like I said, there's Lena here. That's words. Like my name is a word. And then these are useful when you want to the microbit to scroll images on the screen. So as you can see, it says name equal to Lena. So it'll say Lena on the microbit. And it says message equals to hello, because I'm giving you a message. Hello. Hello to all of you. So the variable name stores the text Lena. The variable message stores the text
hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go into
So there are the 2 variables there, name and message.
There's 2 variables.
Each of them contains some storage called Lena is the storage for the name, and hello is for stores for
For
message.
message.
Good.
Anyway, let's go on to the next slide. Image variables. Used to store microbit images or icons. Like we have a bubble mixer here.
Yeah, this
bubble
time
machine.
image.
This is an image. Well, not really an image, but you can make it an image. Steven here can be an image. As if you take a picture of him, it's an image. And then our hover disk arena. It's pretty an old guy, but you can still take pictures of him. So you can use this to show pictures on the microbit screen. So arrow is the name of the variable. It's like a labeled box. So as you can see, in the arrow equals to image arrow dot n. N. Why does it say n? You're probably asking. Maybe you're not. Maybe you know.
Yeah, what is that?
Anyway, n means north.
North?
North.
Really?
And if you put S there, it points south.
Oh, okay.
And then east and west. I forgot which one is east. Probably west, east.
Yeah.
So it stores a picture, an arrow pointing north, like I said, north, called image.arrown. Period. So let's go on to the next slide. So can you identify variables? What's happening here?
What?
X is a variable, as you can see.
Yeah.
So it stores the result of the math. So can anybody tell me what this is? Leave it in the comment down below. So this is actually 22, I'm pretty sure. Yes, it's 20. No,
27.
it's not 22. My mistake. 27. And then if you say display.scroll x, it'll give you the answer of this, which is 27.
Yeah. So that whole thing is a stores.
Yep. So the variable x stores a number 27.0, which is just 27. Anyway, and then sleep 100. I think you guys already know that in the other videos. Stop for 1 second. Or millisecond. 1 millisecond. Anyway, no, 1,000 milliseconds. Let me go to the next slide now. So what are variables? Covered. So as you can see, there's 4 variables. But there's actually not 4 variables. There's 2 more. Can you guys spot it? Leave in the comment down below. So the variables, the 2 variables, are actually step 1 and step 2. How? Step 1, step 2. If you guys didn't notice that, that's okay. So step 1 is equal to 22. 22. And then, as you can see, step 2. So since we know that step 1 is 22, right? 22. So then the answer
Minus.
for step 2 is...
So you just do 22 minus 1.5.
Yeah, so this is 1.5 actually.
Yeah, because 12 divided
22 minus 1.5
equals
which
to
equals to 20.5.
Yeah. There you go.
So then we use display.scroll and then brackets, parentheses, to show the variables values on the microbit screen. So let's start coding on the microbit. I wish I had a microbit. Anyway, we are going to microbit right now. So let's play. So this is the one with the A equals to 5 and B equals to 4. Display.scroll, A plus B, like we said, and then A plus B without the quotation. Anyway, let's start it. So A plus B equal to 9. So it says 9 for a reason. Because we have this right after, no stop. So it says 9. So let's go on to the next one. So this is the one with the name, message, Lena, hello. So let's do it. L-E-E-N-A, Lena. H-E-L-L-O, Hello. Hello. So whatever that is. Anyway, so that was for this one. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so this is the arrow one. Oh, it's already playing. There. Arrow. Pointing north, like I said. If it's an S, W, or E, it'll go those directions. So let's go to the last one. Let's go. 2, oh, you can look at this. Happy face. Oh, wait. Remember the one that we were just talking about before we came onto the microbit? This is the one that we're doing. See, step 1, step 2, A, B, C, D. I was about to say E.
Mm-hmm.
So let's play one more time. So 22, smiley face with no eyes. And 20.5, smiley face, no eyes. Anyway, smiley face, no eyes.
It's just a smile. That's why. Okay.
That's what it was showing. But no hands covering their eyes. So let's go back to our... So we finished coding. Let's go into the next slide and see what's up. So thank you for watching.
That's
Lena's
all.
Pretend Play.